And let me also clarify, Mr. President, this isn't merely about contraception. Folks on the other side of the debate and most of the media constantly puts it merely in those terms. Well, first of all, those measures in and of themselves violate the conscience of many Americans. But secondly, it's not just about that. It's about abortion. It's about abortion-inducing drugs like Plan B. It's about sterilization.
We've devoted extensive floor time on this amendment about contraception and lack of coverage for women's health care in the context of a job creation bill, in the context of the transportation bill. This is the bill. This is the bill that is on the floor of the United States Senate right now. And the title, it says, a bill, Senate 1813, a bill to reauthorize federal aid highway and highway safety construction programs and for other purposes. I would have thought those other purposes would be related to transportation, to transit, to job creation in the United States. I don't think the other purposes that are talked about in this bill have anything to do with contraception or women's health. But that's what we're spending our time debating this week on the floor of the Senate, instead of passing this transportation bill and putting people in this country back to work. How is this conversation relevant?
It's all about, yes, contraception, but abortion, abortion-inducing pills like Plan B, and sterilization.
I asked my colleagues to turn down this amendment, and I asked my colleagues on the other side of the aisle, let's get at the business at hand and focusing on our economy, focusing on jobs, and stop making women's health care a scapegoat for what you think is wrong with America. It's actually what's right with America, and let's focus on jobs.